Zurzach Care is a company, it's a care organization, Swiss care organization, and we are mainly dealing in the field of rehabilitation. We are the largest group of rehabilitation in Switzerland, and we are extremely proud to be part of this project and this research item you're dealing with. It's a great opportunity for us to participate in this development of using technology with the patients. That when you walk out of here, you're convinced that you have done a good job.
It was quite funny because first we were a bit skeptical to use like a really new system for the first tests, and we wondered if it would be stable enough and if it would work, but we were really surprised because it went quite well. And of course there were a bit like some things that need to be improved in the future, but that's exactly why we're doing these first tests. And the cool thing was to see how the users react to the system, because they were really pleased by it, and it was really exciting to see how they reacted and how they immersed into the new world, like the virtual reality for them. And yeah, that was quite cool to see, and I think it was really fun to bring that system from like the theoretical part and just having between us really to the participants and see how they worked with it.
The final RecoveryFun system, I think that enhances the rehabilitation at home of patient. The patient could be stimulating and enjoying use it, and he can use the RecoveryFun when he wants at his home.
Well, I think it's a cool addition to our therapy now, because it's this whole gamification of exercising, so it makes it more fun, more interactive, and I think that's really improving the patient's motivation. And I think for some patients it could be really adding fun to the rehabilitation process. Yeah, and I think also maybe they immerse into this virtual reality and they don't think about how they move or what they do, and they are just having fun.
Okay, within the tech team we have the opportunity really to enlarge the whole relab solution to a next level, and therefore we have included there different partners. There is on one side a sensor part who is covered by Unmatched, and then we have the tech for care part who really enlarges also the clinician platform. And on our side we are working on data evaluation and big data and all that stuff, and we have also Canary Tech who brings up a new application for the carer who will motivate then the entire patient situation. So at the moment we are able we have already defined lean interfaces, so this means we can work quite independently up to now, and now is the first moment of integration where we want to show first pieces working together then at the MTR and striving then for a working solution for field tests in the beginning of June.
So the potential of RecoveryFun is great, both for patients and for therapists. For therapists, it's a time-saving device which will allow them to do tele-rehabilitation, but also rehabilitation in groups, which is very important. This is of course also the advantage for the patients. They can do it at home in their own environment, which makes them more relaxed. But they also can do it with friends, which is also encouraging for them. And of course, let's not forget, with the games, it's very motivating to do it. For the future, the RecoveryFun is very important, and not only in Belgium, but I think across the world there is a lack of trained staff for rehabilitation. So with the RecoveryFun, we can do the tele-rehabilitation, which saves time and also FTEs. So it's very important for the future to think about concepts like the RecoveryFun.